Without an index, PostgreSQL reads every single row, even with 1 million records. The syntax is create index, then your index name, then ON, the table name, and the column in parentheses. By convention, name your index using the table and column. Something like IDEX user's email. That naming pattern makes it immediately obvious what the index covers. PostgreSQL builds a B-tree structure behind the scenes, so future queries on that column skip the full table scan. And plain create index allows duplicate values. It only speeds up lookups. Adding the unique keyword enforces that every value must be distinct, similar to a constraint. Use it for columns like email or username where duplicates should never exist. Add an index whenever a column appears in a where clause, a join condition, or an order by. Those are the spots where a table scan hurts most. You can also index multiple columns together with a composite index by listing them comma-separated. PostgreSQL defaults to B-tree, but also supports hash for exact match lookups. To ace this question, show the create index syntax with a clear name, explain unique versus non-unique, and always tie indexes back to query performance. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.